family. I hope you guys are having a fantastic time out there, and I hope you all had a fantastic Christmas. So today we're going to do another video on a subscriber's build, and Alex sent us in some pretty awesome pictures and videos of his sweet, badass Jeep Commander. Yep, you heard that, Jeep Commander that he is building. This thing is not only some show, but it has some go. So before we dive into this video, guys, if you are interested in getting your Mopar build featured on the channel, please send me an email to frostbiteram57@gmail.com. Send me some pictures, videos, mod list, some information going on with the car or the truck, and we will definitely try to get you featured on the channel on the Thursday videos. So let's dive into the video, guys. Alright, so Alex has a 2010 Jeep Commander that is two-wheel drive with the 5.7 liter Hemi. And this is what's going on with this bad little thing. I bought the Commander as my second car in 2017 at the age of 19. Knowing it was a two-wheel drive truck, I knew lifting it would be pretty dumb since I'm just going for looks and not adding any more usability. The first actual modification I did to the truck was EBAC SRT lowering springs for the Grand Cherokee. The chassis between the WK1s and XKs are the exact same. So many parts from chassis fit onto my truck. The rear end sits very high stock, so I used the rear EBACs with a spacer to level it out. That is where the fun began. My friends with Jeeps that trail ride heavily mocked me for the decision of lowering a Jeep, but I didn't listen. Neither have I. If it's two-wheel drive, you might as well make it cool and make it fast. So, the Commander has the same drivetrain as the 6-speed Rams, so I knew there was a lot of people supporting the platform. First engine mod I did was a Diablo Intune i3 handheld, which did improve with the butt dyno. You can definitely feel them tunes, that's for sure. It was downhill from there. Lots of parts on this truck are used. For example, the 6.4 intake manifold, long tube headers, BC coilovers, the head unit, cold air intake, and the first set of 20s I had on it. That is what keeps this truck going. First set of wheels were OEM SRT Spider Monkey Grand Cherokee wheels. Now it runs OEM Trackhawk wheels. I've installed audio systems in all of my own cars, friends' cars, etc. It is a fun side hobby of its own. I managed to fit a 48-inch by 28-inch by 7-inch sealed dual enclosure into my Jeep. Tuned to spec for its size, it is around 1.5 cubes per enclosure that I designed and built myself. It has a plexiglass cover to show the amp beneath, and I'm quite proud of it. Definitely building a box is not easy. I have tried myself, and I claim to be no carpenter. So a couple other modifications that he's wanting to do to the Jeep in the future. He has one here. He wants to either go with a cam and a stall converter, and he's looking into the Texas Speed cam with a 3000 Circle D converter. Definitely can't go wrong with either one of those. Option 2 is boost. He would like to find a used supercharger setup, preferably a centrifugal unit to help keep the transmission happy, but I'd take anything if the price and condition is right. You and me both. So he's also custom tuned by diablotoona, and he's running the 1 7/8 OBX long tube headers into 3-inch collectors, catless, with Solo Performance SRT8 3-inch dual exhaust. The car does have the 6.4 liter Hemi intake manifold swap, which is really awesome, and I bet it definitely woke up this Jeep for sure. So yeah, that's Alex's Jeep, his mod list, and it is absolutely an insane Jeep Commander. If you got gapped by this Jeep you would have to go fill out a hurt feelings report because you would not know what the hell just happened. That thing sounds amazing, it looks badass, and it's fast. And it's getting faster every day. So let's check out some videos that he sent us and enjoy. So there you go, guys. That's Alex's Jeep. And it is absolutely sick, nasty, bad ass. So, like I said, guys, if you want to try to get your rides featured on the channel on the Thursday videos, send me an email at frostbiteram57@gmail.com and we will try to get you on here. But I think that's going to do it for today's video. So as always, guys, stay safe out there. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap that bell button for the notifications, and we'll see you on the next one.